Hi friends, this is your lesson 6 exit ticket. So your exit ticket today is very similar to your ones yesterday. The only difference is we're adding those dimes and pennies in. Remember friends, dimes equal 10, just like a 10 stick. And then your pennies, which are these bigger ones, equal 1, just like our ones that we draw, okay? So you've got 4 different problems. And we want you to draw or cross off when it's asking you to either add or take away. So remember, when it says more, you're going to be adding. And then when it says less, you're going to be taking away or crossing off. Okay, so this first one says 10 more than 23 is. So I want you to draw 10 more and then add up what 10 more of 23 is. Then for number 2, I want 1 more than 13. Okay, they have a picture drawn of 13. I want 1 more than 13, so go ahead and draw that and then tell me what that number is. Then down for number 3 and 4, you will see here are the dimes. Remember, they are smaller and they represent a 10. The pennies are bigger and they represent 1. So I want to see 10 less than 31. So here's your picture of 31. I want 10 less. So go ahead and cross off 10 and then tell me what that number is. And then for number 4, I want 1 less than 14 is. So go ahead and cross off that 1 and tell me what that number is.